which means Easter is right around the corner, and we are prepping early this year with ideas on how to make your Easter baskets that are creative and fun for both the kiddos, and guess what? We're also making baskets for the adults as well. So we have with us our friend Shannon Smith. She's from Sacramento's Parent Magazine. Good to see you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Okay, so good morning to you. So let's get creative. Let's take a look and see what are some great ideas to put in our kids' baskets outside of just the massive plethora of candy that we typically see so much of, right?
Right. Yeah. And you've got to include, the kids are going to expect a little candy. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to focus on a delicious candy. So we have chose Godiva chocolates to put in the basket today. And I love this plush bunny. For $25, it comes with some chocolate eggs. There's different options. There's also, themes are great for the young ones. Okay. So I chose things you could take outside and play. Like just if they want to go out in the front yard, the backyard, sidewalk chalk, jump rope, some bubbles, a little hacky sack. You can grab a bouncy ball. These are all great things if you want to do, you're going to be buying swim toys. Just be practical. Buy something that you plan on buying and stocking up for the spring and summer anyways. Yeah,
because we know we're going to be doing a lot more outdoor activities too anyway. So what a great way to kind of encourage your kids to get out there and start doing that now that the weather's changing and improving.
Yeah, and I also wanted to mention tickets. If you're planning on doing some family excursions, maybe over spring break, we can throw some tickets into the basket.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, like the Southern Railroad train excursion is great for families. And that's in Old Town Sacramento. So you could just put your tickets in there and buy them in advance, and then you've got something to do as a family as well.
And that's nice too, because it's not just the day of event as well. This is a chance for you to also look forward to spending more time with your kid as well. So they're going to be looking forward to that treat that continues to keep on giving later, right? With that trip. Okay, so now I love this right here in particular.
Yes. So again, some more Godiva chocolates. These little bunnies are $5. Little assorted eggs are $6.50.
And it's just the right amount though of sweet, right? These baskets aren't overflowing with sugar.
Yes, that's what I was trying to avoid. And then we've got the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials makeup brushes. This is something that you can always use. It's great. Any woman would love it. Teenager, mom, grandma, aunt, everybody. We also have the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Get ready for those Easter photos. Have your skin looking smooth and great. Bio Oil. This is an affordable product you can get at Walmart. It's just amazingly great for cracked skin, just smoothing. Even you can use it on your lips. Yeah, it's just a really nice, and then really nice product. And then the Fleurs de Prairie. This is a great rosé, perfect for spring. It's got a berry, zesty, citrusy flavor.
And they'll go really well, I imagine, at any Easter brunch as well.
Oh, perfect.
Yes. Yeah. But over here for the gentlemen, though. So I'm enjoying this because we just got done talking about grilled cheeses, and then speaking of cheeses,
right? Speaking of cheese. And this is some of the best cheese. And you'll notice when you see the Proudly Wisconsin cheese that you're buying the good stuff. This one actually has an espresso.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
so it's
so
just some unique, some unique cheeses to try. And then, again, another Godiva bunny. We've got some Bulldog skincare products for men. The razor is all recyclable packaging.
So lots of great options for the gentlemen, for the women, for the kiddos. Where can our viewers go for more information?
SacramentoParent.com. And I did want to take a second to point out these are freezable. So your hands, your beer stays cold, your hands stay.
So once again, perfect for the changing seasons. Thank you so much. Make sure you check that out, everybody. Thank you for joining us right here on Sac and Co. We'll see you back here tomorrow as we bring value home at 9 a.m. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.